this is a fabulous place to drive engagement, across vendors. And a lot of these parties are looking for partners. I mean, this is a space that has hundreds of small parties involved right now. And the direction that the sector is going is how do we find partnerships and find solutions that fit different components of this space. And where this conference has evolved from 2 or 3 years ago to where it is now is just extraordinary. And I think things like the experience zone are really great places. And people, you think about those as people that understand where things sit in an ICU. Otherwise, this allows people to touch and feel how things fit from a platform and an ecosystem across many different subsectors. And you only can do that in an environment where there's a big show where a number of participants who each touch different component parts, or the participants that are trying to build a full ecosystem and attract some of the other parties as partners or vendors that fit into those solutions. One thing to me, back to the basic thing is, the hospital-based solutions have become mature. The direct-to-consumer solutions become mature. Areas that you're seeing all those players expand into are areas of dermatology, behavioral health, in my mind, even very pointed solutions like diabetic retinopathy screening, where you're getting people better access at a point of care built into the workflow of their systems. And all of this is about making things simpler and more accessible. And to me, we're finally seeing people that aren't just creating cool toys or cool gadgets, they're creating things that fit directly into the workflow of people's day-to-day lives at every stage of their experience in healthcare. The only way that's going to happen is with interoperability and technologies that bring it together. Ultimately, that all leads to how do you bring analytics and reporting so that you can be proving these things to a physician that this is a worthwhile solution, to a CFO, to a CIO, that this embeds easily into the system. And I think that is where the evolution where we are now is the interoperability of these parties coming together and doing it in a manner, because it still has to be simple. The only way these are going to be worked is it works in the workflow and it's simple, and I think we've made huge strides in that in the last couple of years.